need some change. This was leather. Got 3 bucks?
Yeah.
Hey! Well, I can't. Yeah. How's everything? It's going to pick Harry and them up there, 4:30.
Yeah.
Downstairs, I'll fucking wash your clothes. Lulu, why?
Yo.
Don't forget to tell Dad.
Yeah, all good.
Come here, Charlie.
Hold on now. No, he said wait. He's sick. He can't move, he said.
Fuck's sake. You're the one who should be going to the hospital.
King Track victim number 5,050 fucking million.
Fucking King Trap, bitch, 500 million red t-shirt looking motherfucker.
Disgrace moldy t-shirt.
Oh, G, come on now, you can't. G, come on, G.
Dog, you can't play up like that. Man playing up.
L took his hat. L took his hat. L took the hat, G, because L was a little punk bitch.
G, shut the fuck up, G. You been laying there like 2 days ago. Like.
I was be laying there like a dead possum.
You been laying there like an uptown skunk possum, G.
255, G. Almost 288, motherfucker. G, actually, Lufa, G, punk bitch. You punk bitch.
G,
Go up, G.
you and him.
Save the road. Sus.
So's busy in him.
Nah, G. Buzz.
Busy's first cousin.
Busy's best British cousin. What do you think this results into?
No, cool, G.
That's right, Pina.
Number 1. Hey, you're number 1. Ooh.
So this bitch.
Yo, your shoes, G.
This fucking idiot, G. Who came sliding in the fucking